Welcome back to Wisdom Era Online classes. Yes, in a previous class we have discussed the definition of the rational numbers, and as we learned the definition is, what is the definition? The rational numbers are in a form of p by q. P and q are called as a integers. Q is not equals to the 0. This is definition of the rational numbers. And we have learned about the some important concept regarding the rational numbers. The next one is another one, that is positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. So in the previous class we have discussed equivalent rational numbers. What is this equivalent rational numbers? Yes, exactly. They are looking the different, the value is same. Those are equivalent rational numbers. Here, let's go with the another one important concept, that is positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. How you can tell that the rational numbers are positive and rational numbers are negative? Yes, there is some definition for this, for the positive rational numbers. How you can define this positive rational numbers? Here, the rational numbers, if both p and q are positive or negative, the rational numbers will be positive. Okay, so here what it is telling that if you are considering the number, the rational numbers are positive rational number or a negative rational number, that both p or q are positive. For example, here 5 by 4. 5 by 4 here, this 5 by 4 as in a form of p by q. Okay, here what it is telling that p, q are positive. Here both p also positive, q also positive. That is also one condition. Or negative. P also negative and q also negative. That rational numbers are called as a positive rational numbers. What I am telling that here this p by q, p also positive, q also positive, or p also negative, q also negative. These kind of the rational numbers are said to be a positive rational numbers. Yes, that rational numbers are in the form of p by q. Here, if a p is also positive, q is also positive, that is a positive rational number. If p also negative and q also negative, that is also said to be a positive rational number. Yes, exactly. How you can tell this? Minus 2 by minus 4. Yes, this is called as a positive rational number. Minus 2 by minus 4. Both also negative. You can make it this as a positive by the equivalent rational number condition. If you multiply both of the side by the minus 1 and minus 1, what is the answer is? To make equivalent fractions, we have to multiply the same number to the numerator and the same number to the denominator. Yes, minus 2 into minus 1, that is 2. Now next, 4 into minus 4 into minus 1, that is plus 4. Yes, that's why I am telling that the positive rational numbers, the p and q both also negative. That minus 2 minus 4 here we are said to be a positive rational number, because you get here the 2 by 4 is a positive, right? So what is the condition for the positive rational numbers? Here both p or q positive or both p and q negative. These kind of the rational numbers are called as a positive rational numbers. Yes, exactly. If you are considering the some rational numbers are a positive rational numbers, if p and q are positive or p and q both are negative, negative rational numbers. How you can consider? Yes, exactly. If both P and Q have opposite sign. Yes, not equal, opposite sign. It means that if the numerator is positive, then the denominator should be negative. If the numerator is a negative, next denominator should be positive. This kind of the fractions are called as this kind of the rational numbers are said to be a negative rational numbers. Yes, the negative rational numbers is nothing but if both P and Q have opposite sign. Opposite sign, like if P is positive, then Q should be negative. Then if a P is negative, then Q should be positive. This kind of the rational numbers are called as a negative rational numbers. Yes, some example I have given here. 8 by minus 3. Here 8 is positive and 3 is negative. Minus 3 is negative. 1 should be positive, next should be negative. Next, minus 2 by 1. This is called as a which kind of the rational number? Yes, this is negative rational numbers. If both also the same symbol, positive rational numbers, right? So these are the examples for the negative rational numbers. Or how you can define the negative rational numbers? If both P and Q have opposite sign, that is, if P is positive, Q should be negative. If a Q is P is negative, Q should be a positive. If it is opposite sign in numerator and denominator, those are called as a positive. Those are called as a negative rational numbers. I will just give you some examples for the positive rational numbers and the negative rational numbers. Yes, you go with this definition. This is help us to make a separation of positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. Yes, 2 by 4. This is positive rational number. Both the side is the same symbol. And minus 2 by minus 4. This is also a positive rational number. Okay. Next, 5 by minus 4. One positive, one negative. Minus 7 by 2. The one negative, one positive. Either the numerator, if the numerator is positive, denominator should be negative. If the numerator is negative, denominator should be positive. This kind of the fractions are called as a negative. This kind of the rational numbers are called as a negative rational numbers. This kind of the rational numbers are called as a positive rational numbers. This is all about the positive and negative rational numbers. The next class we can discuss about how to reduce the rational numbers. Thank you.